Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's the multiple stream king, Laderick Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. What's going on, y'all? Man, listen, I'm super excited, man. We have ended the trading week, right? We have ended the trading week, and so my wife said you need to make this a thing because in my rule book I got win the week, right? We can actually show you in my sticky notes real quick. As far as my trading rules, right? At the end of it, it says win the week, right? And so you got to understand that we're trading. There are going to be wins, there are going to be losses, right? It's how you lose, right? That really dictates, your profitability, all right? As far as the end of the week, you know what I'm saying? And so for me, I won the week. I won the week, and I'm gonna share with you all how I won the week. Now I took a L, okay? I took a L, and I'm about to show you all the L right now. You looking at it, and you're like, if this was your risk to reward, they look like you lost. I did, y'all. Okay, so let's go through it real quick. So we actually got in this trade yesterday, me and my wife. Now I'm gonna tell you exactly what I was looking at. All right, so you see this big bullish candle right here. All right, this big, big bullish candle. This big bullish green candle. I know, all right, that the area has to be filled. I know it has to be filled, okay? And so the market was pushing, all right, and it looked like it was going to fill in for me, all right? It didn't, and so we ended up having to go into the Asian session, all right? And I just truly believe that, either during Asian no later than London, all right, that we would get that push, okay? And so we got into a little bit of profit here on Asian, as you can see, and then it pushed up, right? Something nasty. Pushed up nasty on me, man. During London, came down right here, and I was super excited, thinking, okay, let me show you this little. That little dip right there changed the game for me. All right, that changed the game for me when it came down. I'm thinking, okay, we finally coming back down. I was feeling good. I had alerts set. All right, I had 3 trades on this bad boy. So I had two. My first entry was at 0.30. The second 2 entries was at 0.50. Okay, and so I'm trying to catch this bad boy. I said, you know what? I'm finna clean up. I'm looking at all this green, right? I'm looking at all this green. I'm like, oh yeah, we are good. Well, no, it had other things in mind, and so eventually tapped me out, as you can see. Tap me out up here. All right, and I end up taking a $259 L. Okay, had I stayed in a little longer, right? Had I stayed in a little longer, all right, I would have got it and then some. I would have got what I needed and then some. All right, and that's just fun. That's just how the market go. Okay, and so it was probably about 5 in the morning when that had happened. And so I'm like, all right, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? I took the L. You know what I'm saying? Took it on the chin. I had said that, my stop loss, because I have, some people have, they set stop losses. I had numerical stop loss in mind, right? Which is $250. Okay, lost $259. I said I'm gonna get it back. All right, I said I'm gonna get it back, and let me show you all how God blessed. Right, so let's go to one of my favorite indices, Big Nasty Nas100. Let's go to Big Nasty Nas100. Okay, and let me show you what I've seen again. So for me, it's certain things I like. I like supply and demand, and I like areas to fill. Okay, and so once again, as you can see, let me widen this up a little bit more. I knew we had a big area to fill. So as you can see, after the open, we had a big drop. Okay, we had a big drop. I knew, all right, that we were gonna come back and clean it up. I just know how Nas work. Okay, I've been watching Nas for a while, but Nas is very dangerous. Nas, US 30, SPX, gold, those indices and metals, they're very volatile. All right, and so you can lose your account real quick if it go against you. So you really gotta be smart, with your lot sizes. And so I went in at a 0.20. Me and my wife 0.20. Well, she went in at 0.15. I went in at 0.20. Okay, and all I said was, man, let me just get my 250 back. okay, and I'm good. So as you can see, what my entry was, it came down on me a little bit, right? But I was not worried at all. All right, I was not worried at all. We end up shooting up, and as you can see, I smashed TP because I got out right here at the top of that bad boy. I ended up getting that. Well, no, let me tell you what. I got out, and I took one entry off, okay, and then I took half of another. So I'm at 0.20. I modified my order, all right, and I went ahead and took profits. I had to take some off the table, right, and so I took 80, I believe, and then I ended up getting like $79. So at the end of it, I ended up making. Let me go. I can tell you exactly what I did. Oh, you know what? Let me show y'all how cold sway is. All right, so let's go to sway. So as you can see my balance, man, we back. You know what I'm saying? We definitely won the week. I was down this morning. It was like 18 something. I got it back to 21. So thank God for that. But let me show you all how dope this is. So look, and I had already updated it. But let me just. This is my total for the week. My total net profit and loss was $114.88. Right, so we definitely won the week. But it's so dope on how you can, how they got everything broke down. So if I just want to know how I did today just on my Forex pairs, all right? Euro USD is a major, right? So watch this. Yay! Negative 266. Let me take myself off so you can see. Negative 266, right? I had didn't have a win rate on that bad boy. I was in that trade for 18 hours. I told y'all we held, all right, from New York through Asian, through London, and then New York is when it dropped for us again. But you know, it was already too late. It was already stumped out. All right, 266. Okay, and then if you go to my indice for today, boom. Total net profit was $380, right? So we got that back and then some. All right, real nice win off of that today. Made $380 off the trade, and just dope, man. Like I love how this is set up. But I was able to get my money back, like I said, and then some. There's another way I can show y'all how to break it down. That's just all right. Let me see here. That was a way on the trading journal. All right, so look, so you can definitely see the the wins and losses, how they came about. My Euro USD, as you can see, I took how many trades? I had 3 trades, right? I told you I had one at 0.30 and 2 at 0.50, right? So one for 90, one negative 92, one negative 109, one negative 58.20. All right, and then for my Nas100, all right, you can see I took my first one. I took at the it was 126.80, right? I took another one at 75.80 and 80. So this is the one where you see I split it. You see it says 1-1, right? I split it in half, right, and took 10 off, basically, right? Basically like taking $10 off, and I split it because I was at 160. It was a trade when after I took my my first initial trade off, I went ahead and secured those profits. It showed I was up like 160, and so it bounced around. I could see like, okay, price ain't moving hard no more. Let me go ahead and take half of it. So I took half of it, right, and took that $80. All right, and then it still kept bouncing around. I was trying to get it to 100. And it wouldn't. It started skating around 88. I said, you know what? I'm gonna let it get to 90, and I'm gonna get that. And it just wouldn't. So I took the 75.50 and got up out of there. But it ended up, if you look, it ended up coming down. I would have never been out of profit, right? I could have stayed in it and won even more, and then it eventually just dropped something serious. And so, it is what it is. At the end of the day, man, we won, and I live to trade another day. All right, and so we're gonna come harder next week. We're going to come more equipped, more ready, really looking for the same setups, supply and demand setups, areas to fill, liquidity, smart money concepts. Like I'm not one dimensional. All right, I have one strategy, all right, and I have a game plan. But I know that if I don't see what I'm looking for, I know other things that I can look for. All right, and so I won on February 14th, $103.50. February 15th took a loss of $259.20, and then February 16th, all right. You seen my total profit for it, but you know, after the fees or whatever, it was like $282.30. You know what I'm saying? And so got it back. You know, we end up. It shows. I think I was like $114 overall. So we won the week. You know what I'm saying? Might not be a lot to most, but we won the week. We didn't come out this thing on the L. We came out this thing with a W. You know what I'm saying? 114.88 total for the week. That's cool. All right, y'all be cool with making, you know, $100, $50, $200, right? When you get to the bigger accounts, you're gonna be able to get to where you see some of these top traders at, right? I'm just documenting my journey because I'm not afraid. There's too many people who they want to show the glitz and the glam. They want to show the big crazy accounts that a lot of these people be faking and pump faking, and you know they got ways to maneuver and change. I don't know how they doing this stuff, y'all, but I've been getting some game and hearing about people being able to fake it. I'm gonna give y'all the real, show y'all the live, and show y'all this small account and build it up live and show you how you do it. You know what I'm saying? So y'all stay locked in, man, with the Multiple Stream King. I got more coming. All right, I'm truly on the quest to be one of the best in the game in this Forex industry, y'all. Like I said, I've been at it. This is my 6th year, but if I'm being truly honest, this is really like my wife's 2nd and 3rd year, like really going at it. Because in the beginning, we was in it, but we wasn't in it. You know, if that makes sense. Like we was still so heavy in our network marketing industry, all right, and going hard. You know, producing numbers, growing teams all over the world. Like we really, you know, put our stamp in the game when it comes to network marketing. And I just want to do the same with Forex. And so y'all stay tuned, man. We won the week, right? This week 1, all right, for your boy, all right, and we finna keep coming. Me and my wife, you know what I'm saying? So you looking at my account, right? But she did basically the same thing, all right, and so just double it. We cool with our profits for the week, man. We cool with our profits for the week, probably about $250, you know what I'm saying, coming out the markets, right? So it is what it is, man. Y'all stay tuned, all right, and be ready for the next video, man. I'm gonna keep following y'all on this journey. If I don't upload, man, I'm just in the lab, or I'm just locked in. I wanted to live record it today, but I was so pissed off about my my loss from last night that I just wanted to lock in, right? I just wanted to lock in, get my money back, and I was like, man, I should have hit screen record and got the bad boy going so y'all can see it. But don't worry, I'm gonna show y'all some live trades, man. But in the meantime, between time, I'll still show y'all, come here and break it down, and show y'all back office, show y'all my charts, show y'all my trading dashboard, show y'all my trading journal, and show you it's real, man, so y'all can see, you know, that this thing is real and you can do it if you put your mind to it. It's your boy, man. See y'all on the next video.